Hi, my name is Boa. I'm a pharmacy intern.
My name is Priscilla.
Hi, Priscilla. Today I'll be checking your BMI. For me to do this correctly, I'll have to check your height and then your weight. So at this time, can you remove your shoes, please? And I'll have you step on this blue platform. And I'm going to raise the rod right now. And you can step on this blue platform. You may step off now and watch out for your head. Your BMI is 37.2. It is considered obese. If you have any question, we have a pharmacist who can answer them. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you.